know, walking back again for the third time. Gotta go to that red shanty. Because now there's no heat, because when I piled all my stuff on the counter, the lady at Young's didn't want to, she didn't, what was I talking about? I forgot what I was talking about. But anyways, I'm out here again for the third time. My hip's starting to hurt. Oh wait, yeah, that lady at the Young's, she didn't tank down there for the heat. We ain't got no heat because she didn't scan it. She loaded everything in the bag. It says $44.97 for the, you know. And then whew, it's cold out here. She I don't know if you can tell, but it's real windy. It's windy out here. It's cold. She didn't want to. What the hell was I talking about? God damn it. Anyways, she didn't scan. She didn't scan the tank, so I had to run all the way back to Young's. And she's like, "Oh, did I wait on you?" Yes, you waited on me. I was in here about, half an hour ago. Gave you all this stuff, and I told you could keep my receipt. She goes, "Well, I don't think I scanned it." I was like, "Oh crap," but I'm pretty positive I spent $47 there that I paid for it. So she charged me another $7.48 for it. So here we are. I'm almost at the shanty. These guys think they can catch fish. I know before it gets dark, I'm definitely gonna outfish you, Jeffro. Yeah, it's cold out here. You and little Ethan are probably in the shanty right now. I'm cold, but guess what? I'm out here getting some heat. I'll be right there. Oh man. Woo. Man. I gotta start walking off the rail. Because, I should be able to walk. I should be able to walk a mile. 45-degree cold ass winds against your face with no problem like I used to. But now, I don't know. Let's see what happens. I'm about to go fishing, Jeffro. Hope you see this video. Like me, fish me. I'll be like, I just did. Yeah.